Alright guys, I am prepping for my second author event, meet and greet and author read here in San Antonio at the DoSeum. I tried to make these stickers, but I could not get it to happen. I tried it a dozen times, so I scrapped that idea and ended up making some acrylic bookmarks instead, and those were a big hit. Great choice. Then on the day of the event, I loaded everything up and took it to the DoSeum. And instantly started having troubles again. My camera dropped and then my whole box fell over and into the parking lot. So we're off to a great start. Hopefully the book fair goes better than this.
We have Michelle, aka Aunt Shelly.
It wasn't at all how I thought it would be, and I had to adjust my layout. Like, I had everything going and then I was like, oh, this is not gonna work. I need my DIY coloring bookmarks on the other side. So I did a switcheroo and got it all laid out. All in all, it took about 30 minutes, so not too bad. And I really like how the table turned out. I'd love to see you guys in person. Come join me in Katy, Texas on October 12th. All the information is at shellycreatesit.com.
Okay, I've had some piles of crafting stuff, card specific things that I've needed to organize for a while. Mainly because school started and all of my summer organization plans just like came to a screeching halt. So now that we're about a month in, I think I've got the hang of things where I can get my brain out of work mode and organize. So I'm gonna put these things away, declutter, throw away stuff I don't need, donate other things. Actually, most of this stuff is from Dollar Tree. They have some pretty good like stuff. And then I want to make some cards with this. Like, aren't those cute? Came up with this idea. Should these be tic-tac-toe cards or bingo cards? I think they'd be fun. Well, I guess they can't be bingo because there's not 5. Sure.
The last thing that I did for September in this video is create a Instagram carousel for the author book fair at the DoSeum. I hope you guys enjoyed my montage of what I did in September. And I will see you in the next one. Stay creative.